Hi, we are starting the franchise workshop for Kokroo in kgs, a very interesting brand from Vijayawada, which is from South India. And along with me are the founders of the company. We'll straight away go to Raja and Surya and ask them what their expectation is from this franchise workshop. Over to you.
Yeah, I'm Raja Bandaru. I'm from Vijayawada and we have founded a brand called Kokroo in cages, and it is under a firm called Escape Hospitality and Business Energies. And Kokroo is basically a South Indian takeaway cloud kitchen. So basically what we do is we just take orders and serve, like we don't provide a dining facility, so we call it a takeaway cloud kitchen. And later on we have created a menu, so not so sophisticated, but taking a single what do you call that, single dish, single item, and creating a whole garden out of it. So basically what we have taken into consideration is a chicken based item, and creating numerous items around that same category.
Yeah.
That's what we have actually thought since I mean, we have made our market research so as to consider this actually. So out of that, now we are actually having 3 brands in our same outlet, making it really like just to have a multiple revenue streams, some of from a single outlet. So apart from that, what we are really expecting from sparkleminds is to like create a brand like which are actually expecting, and I hope Mr. Amit actually does that, and to our expectation, not just to say that, but we are looking forward to be satisfied in every way possible.
Absolutely, absolutely. Today we are going to help you set the brand properly and help you understand all aspects of franchises. We'll go to Surya and ask him what his expectation is from this workshop.
Yeah, I am Surya and I am the managing director of Escape Hospitality. And the business what we have built is on 2022. The agenda of making this business is to bring down the filtration in the food industry. I mean, like if anyone who are into this industry, the main drawback is the filtration. We are the agenda of making this business model is to bring the full-fledged zero there, and the only one raw item we'll be using in our kitchen, that is chicken. We'll make n number of dishes there, but we'll be using only the chicken. That's the reason. And the second thing is that we are running 3 brands there. The same raw material will be used for the rest of the 3 brands, and the same marketing team will be working on the 3 brands. That's the reason in one outlet we'll be running 3 outlets, and we can generate different incomes there. That's the reason. And the reason why we came to sparkleminds is that the expectations are different, but the main agenda is we need to go out and to telecast the people, and that may run our business more, that may give more mileage for us, and we expect that great things to be happened in future.
Absolutely. So we'll set up the franchise model for you.
Sure.
We'll help you understand how you can integrate 3 brands into one single franchising model, so that the entrepreneur can take advantage from the 3 sub-brands that we've created, use the same raw material, use the same backend that is there to be able to go forward and maximize their profitability. I think that's our goal. So I'm going to help you set up the franchise model. Let's start the franchise development workshop for Kokroo in kgs, and let's start the discussion, and we'll come back to you at the end of the day and see if we achieved our goals. Thank you. Hi, we've just completed this franchise workshop for a very interesting cloud kitchen brand from Vijayawada. Yes, we have some amazing brands coming out of tier 2, tier 3 cities of India, and Kokroo in kgs is one of them. Along with me are the founders of the company. I'll straight away go to Surya and ask him as to what has been the feedback of this particular workshop, and then we'll come to the other part. Over to you, Surya.
Yeah, the workshop were too good. I mean, the lot of doubts what we are having before coming here are sorted out here, and they helped us. I mean, it's crystal clear. I am having a lot of trust on them. They will be doing the best thing for us, and we are expecting the great thing to be happen.
Great. So Raja, you had a lot of questions on franchising. You had a lot of pre-thoughts. You've done a lot of homework on things you wanted to be clear. Are you now very clear in terms of everything that we discussed? And does franchising look clear to you?
Yes, the understandings or the before part where we have a lot more doubts on franchising part are now very clear. I mean, Mr. Amit is very experienced in this kind of questions or in this kind of aspects. He's made us understand everything in every sort. Now I think we are having a better slate on us to our understanding. We can say that we are very much good in the situation now.
Great. When you think of franchising, initially you had thought of some model, okay? And you all thought that you'll give off these things, and you must have been worried that how will the franchisees take care of our brand? How will they be connected to us? How will the renewals happen? How will we control the entire brand element that we have? Have those things become clearer to you all?
Yes, everything is clear for us.
Great. Fantastic. So we are going to roll out this interesting cloud kitchen model. It should be a sub 10 lakh to 15 lakh rupee investment. Stay connected with me for more on Kokroo in kgs. Thank you so much.